Hello guys, this is Ben Family. You guys already know what's up. Alright guys, we're here at Walmart, so we come here to buy some food, some little stuff, so not too much. So, and I got Nikki with me. What are you going to buy today, Kiki?
Cereal and milk.
And we're going to take a look at some clothes. And after that, alright, so let's go buy the cereal first, and after that we go buy some clothes. So which way to go to the cereal? Oh, right here. Over there. No, move. Okay guys, so I don't know. Kiki, which one you gonna buy?
There's so much decision.
Huh?
There's so much decision.
So you like this one, right?
Yeah.
So you want one? Let's buy a bigger one. A mega size. You can buy a mega size, guys. Mega size. So Nikki love it. Why not buy it? Okay, so we're gonna buy two. Oh, this is the mega size. Mega size. Should be now. Just crunch. Baby shark. So probably Brian will like it. So I don't like baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Okay, Cookie. So now let's go buy two cereals and let's go buy the milk. So we need organic milk, right? Okay, so which one is about?
Let's get the whole milk.
So there is no organic milk here.
Yes, here.
Alright guys, so we're gonna find organic milk. So we're gonna buy let's see. We'll buy this one though. September 23. Alright. I buy this one though. Okay. So what else did we need? Soup? No, we got soup already. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so oh, we need sugar. So we're gonna buy one sugar. Okay. Alright, so what else we need? Huh?
I'm trying to
I think that's it, right? We need some other stuff. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. So we don't need bread. So we got bread already. Let's see. Cookies. Maybe. No, crackers. Let's go buy crackers. Crackers. It's cold here, Mama? I know it's cold. Okay, so I think Steven loves these crackers. This one, no, the cheese one. Let's buy the cheese one. So you guys can buy the cheese. Oh, I can't reach it. Let's see if I can reach it, guys. Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. So we buy Snickers, crackers. Alright then. Okay, so I think we're done, right, Vicky?
Yeah, look what I found.
What is that?
I like it.
Yeah, you always love that thing.
Yeah.
Slime. Slime. You're gonna slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Alright, so let's go find. Let me see. I think. Okay, let's go take a look for some toys. Okay? Alright.
I put this.
What? Why you like that?
Because it's so cool.
That's kind of cool.
Grand filth in the car.
Really?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Okay?
Put in the cart.
Alright, put it there. Okay, let's go take a look for J chair. Alright guys, so I'm about to buy a chair for my newborn. His name is Jay, so it's 4 months. So it's gonna turn 5 months. So I'm gonna buy a chair for him so he can start walking.
I put the chair for Jay.
Hmm?
I put the chair for Jay.
Okay. Okay. Let's go see which chair we're gonna buy.
This is very fresh.
Hmm? The cat can be fresh already. Alright guys, so they over there somewhere.
These?
No. These. Yeah, this is too big. This is what we need, guys. So, this is too big for him. We need something small.
Look, I found some other ones over here.
What?
Show, come.
No.
Look, I found some.
That's the only location they have them.
I opened the cart.
No, leave it there. So what did you find? Come on, they're not gonna be there.
Yeah. Wait, what? They're supposed to be here.
No, it's supposed to be there. Man, you make me work for nothing.
Ugh.
Okay, guys, so I don't know. So we should buy this one. So that's the only one they have in stock. Okay, so Jay need to work, you know. He need to start working. So, I don't know. So we should buy this one now. You know. So Kiki, you like this one?
Yes.
You like it?
Put Jay all around.
Hmm?
Because I can put Jay all around the place.
Oh yeah? Okay. Alright, so I think we're gonna get this one, guys. So we don't find a smaller one, but this one's big, so we got no choice, so we gotta take it.
Where's the box?
Hmm?
Where's the box of it?
I don't know.
There's like one over here too.
Where?
That is so big. There's there's like
That's
on
too
the ground.
big. Alright guys, so we now in the toys section.
Look at these guys.
A lot of beautiful toys here, right Kiki?
Yeah.
So what is that toy?
It's like a pig. Ooh, Barbie. Yes.
Oh, lots of toys.
Oh my
That's for
God.
girls only.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big car.
Hmm.
Oh.
That's a big car for you, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
This.
Hmm. That's very small.
Oh, unicorn.
Unicorn?
Yeah, that's
Man,
some.
you like these toys.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So what is that?
Hatchimals.
That's little stuff. So what about this?
Oh my gosh!
What?
They finally come out.
What is that?
It's the LOL surprise.
LOL?
Yeah, and it's a boy one. I always wanted one of these.
That's only for girls, right?
This one is exclusive one.
What?
This one.
Oh, that's big. Oh no.
That has a lot of stuff inside this.
Really?
And this one's a gift box. It's a present.
That's good. Alright, so what about this? I think you love this one too, right?
Roblox.
Roblox. Steven love Roblox.
Series 9.
I hate Roblox.
It's Ryan from the toy review video.
Ryan? Guys, look at this. Ooh. Ryan, world. That's nice.
Jojo
Okay.
siwa.
What? Did you see one?
Yeah.
Oh,
You can make your own necklace.
that's nice. So, what other toys we're gonna take?
Wait, we're gonna take them? Oh.
Okay, so
Oh my gosh.
what?
Baby Shark was hiding in here.
Yeah, nobody can see him.
What?
Look
at him.
hiding good. Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Okay, so let's come here. What?
I found a tricycle.
Yeah, that's little stuff, Mama. You can.
Yeah?
Look at you. That's for babies. So you're not a baby.
I only can drive. Oh, there's a bike.
What?
I found this. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, this is cool. I like
Bike.
it.
I know how to drive bikes now.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, don't fall.
Oh, I almost. I just stopped at the coolest things.
What?
The roller skates. I really need those.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back. What?
The hoverboard.
Hoverboard?
I wanted one.
I don't like it.
I like it.
No, not me. That's cool, Mama. Eh?
Ooh, I want that one.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Another baby
Ooh,
shark.
a lot of them.
Baby shark.
Baby shark, baby shark. Okay.
Ooh, helmet.
What?
Oh, it's the same like this one. This one you can draw on.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Drone.
Okay, so, oh, what is that?
The drone.
A drone?
Yeah.
This is cool, guys.
And
right?
some gaming headphones.
Oh, this is the new Corvette.
Ooh.
I love it. We should buy one, right, Mama? What?
I'm back.
To beat who? To beat Steven?
Yeah.
Steven gonna beat you too.
No. I don't know what this for.
Okay. Alright. So, what? Mama, you like this one?
What? I'm not a little girl.
You are a little girl.
Yeah.
That's for Steven. Okay, so Mama, come here.
Well, I have to show you.
I'm gonna show you something you probably like.
Which one?
Oh.
Oh, it's so cool.
Cool, right? Okay. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching our videos. So please subscribe and comment and share our video, guys. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe, okay? Kiki, what's gonna sell them?
Subscribe, like, follow this, share video, and comment this to your friends so they can watch this too. Bye. Turn on the notifications.
See you guys.